the science seems very complex, but the companies that are involved, yours and AbCellera, seem to be up to it.
Well, there are many approaches that are going on across the pharmaceutical industry and partnerships with biotech and academic researchers. This is one of them. We signed and announced a deal yesterday with AbCellera, as you said. Their approach is to take antibodies, which are the body's own response to a virus like this, and they actually isolated antibodies from one of the first survivors, people to recover from coronavirus in the U.S. They screen those antibodies for the ones that could be active against the virus, and now we're partnering to find the very best one, potentially modify it so it's more like a drug, and then scale up production and manufacturing so we can test it in clinical trials and bring it to the marketplace.
Well, let me ask you, there are a lot of people who are saying the reason why this thing's a very hard thing to beat, and one of them is because there are apparently 294 variants of COVID-19 so far discovered, and that they're all different. They each have their own characteristics, so it doesn't lend itself to what you're doing. Is this thing too hard to crack?
I don't think so. I think there will be solutions that will make a difference for treating patients. Of course, there are separate approaches to vaccinate, which will take more time because you need to test those in healthy people. But it may take more than one medicine to help people recover for the sickest that get the disease. But we're starting this because we believe it can work. And by starting with the very material that helps someone survive, we think it's a good starting place to find an antibody or a cocktail of antibodies that could be given to patients when they do become sick. One thing I want to mention as well, Jim, is the speed at which this is unfolding is unprecedented in our industry. Literally, AbCellera started this work 11 days ago. We signed the deal today. We hope to be in a clinical trial this summer.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.